How to fix Twitter glitch on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter glitch on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Twitter and then click on it, or you can just scroll down until you find here Twitter and then click on it, and here you will find force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and now all your glitches will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your glitch, so just go to Play Store and check if there is any update here, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Then just restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.